Hello friends, I am Balaji and I welcome you all to my channel. So in this video we are going to see how to change default font size of your Visual Studio Code. There are two ways to change default font size. So the first way is by pressing Ctrl plus on your keyboard. So when I press Ctrl plus, my font gets zoomed, and when I press Ctrl minus, my font size decrease. So Control plus to increase your font size and Control minus to decrease your font size. But there is small problem in this approach. When I press Control plus, it is not only increasing my font size, but it is also increasing my whole window size. See, when I press Control plus, size of my whole window gets increased. When I press Control minus, size of my whole window gets decreased. So I will prefer you the second approach, which I am going to show you now. For that, you want to go to the settings. So click the settings icon, which you found in bottom left corner of your Visual Studio Code. By pressing this, go to the settings option. There you will find this user settings tab. There you have lot of settings. This is a JSON object. You want to edit this JSON object to change default font size. Here within this JSON object, you can find this editor.font size. Suppose on your editor, if you can't able to find this property, manually type this editor.font size. Suppose if it is not available, means you want to manually type it, editor dot font size. You can manually type this. So and then here you want to specify the font size. In my case it is 14, so I decrease it to let's say 8, and then I save. See, only the font size of my window gets decreased. And also I change my tab. See, my font size alone gets decreased. So I will go to the settings and then I will reset it to some higher value like 20, and then I will save this. See, my font size alone gets increased, not the size of my whole window, only the font size. So this is the way to change font size of your Visual Studio Code. So here I will reset it to my old font size because 20 is really big, so I will reset it to my old font size 14. Save it. Okay, now it looks better. So that's all for this session. On our next session we are going to see how to change default theme of your Visual Studio Code. Right now it is showing this dark theme, so we are going to see how to change this default theme, how to install some external themes, and then how to change your default theme of your Visual Studio Code. So thank you and goodbye.